In the vast and complex landscape of modern technology, there is an invisible architecture that allows the digital world to function as a cohesive unit. This architecture is built upon application programming interfaces, or APIs. They are the silent messengers that work behind the scenes of every app you use. At its most fundamental level, an API is a set of defined rules that explain how computers or applications communicate with one another. It sits between an application and the web server, acting as an intermediary layer that processes data transfers and ensures that different systems can understand each other perfectly. To understand APIs, imagine you are at a restaurant. You are the customer, or the client. The kitchen is the server that prepares your food. The API is the waiter. You give the waiter your order, he takes it to the kitchen, and then he delivers the response back to you. This interaction is known as the request-response cycle. The client sends a request, a specific set of instructions, and the API processes that request with the server. Once the server finds the data or performs the action, the API brings a response back to the client in a structured format. You interact with APIs dozens of times a day without realizing it. When you use Google Maps inside a ride-sharing app, or when you pay for a product using Stripe on an e-commerce site, you are witnessing the power of APIs, integrating specialized services into broader platforms. Not all APIs are created equal. They come in various architectures, depending on the needs of the application. The most common types you will encounter in the industry today are REST, SOAP, and the increasingly popular GraphQL. Each has its own set of protocols and specific use cases. REST, or Representational State Transfer, is the industry standard for web services. It is designed to be stateless, meaning the server does not need to know anything about the state of the client to fulfill the request. This makes REST APIs incredibly scalable and efficient for web-based communications. Data exchanged via REST APIs is typically formatted in JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is lightweight, easy for humans to read and write, and incredibly easy for machines to parse. It has replaced XML as the primary language for data exchange across the modern internet. APIs use standard HTTP methods to define actions. GET is used to retrieve data. POST is used to create new data. PUT or patch is used to update existing records. And delete is used to remove data. These four methods form the backbone of CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. When an API responds, it includes a status code. A 200 code means everything went perfectly. A 404 means the resource wasn't found, while a 500 error suggests something went wrong on the server side. Understanding these codes is vital for debugging and building robust software systems. Security is paramount. Since APIs expose server data, they must be protected. This is achieved through API keys, bearer tokens, and OAuth 2.0. These methods ensure that only authorized users and applications can access sensitive data, preventing unauthorized breaches and data leaks. Think about the login with Google or login with Facebook buttons you see on many websites. This is a classic example of an API in action. Instead of sharing your password with a new site, you use an API to verify your identity through a trusted third party safely.
An API is only as good as its documentation. Tools like Swagger and Redoc allow developers to create interactive documentation. This documentation acts as a manual, telling other developers exactly which endpoints are available, what parameters they accept, and what the response will look like.
We are now living in the API economy. Businesses no longer build everything from scratch. They leverage existing APIs to add features like payment processing, messaging, and AI capabilities. This modular approach allows for rapid innovation and the creation of complex ecosystems in record time. Building your own API has never been easier. With frameworks like Node.js with Express, Python with Fast API, or Ruby on Rails, developers can spin up powerful endpoints in minutes. The key is to focus on clean design, consistent naming conventions, and proper error handling from the start. To protect servers from being overwhelmed, API providers use rate limiting and throttling. This restricts the number of requests a single user can make in a given time frame. It ensures fair usage and maintains the stability of the service for everyone involved in the network. APIs are categorized by their accessibility. Public APIs are open to any developer. Private APIs are used only within a single organization to connect internal systems. Partner APIs are shared between specific business partners to facilitate secure B2B transactions and integrations. Once an API is live, the work doesn't stop. Monitoring and analytics are crucial. Developers use tools like Datadog or New Relic to track latency, error rates, and traffic patterns. This real-time data allows teams to proactively fix issues before they ever affect the end-user experience. APIs must evolve, but they cannot break existing integrations. This is where versioning comes in. By including a version number in the URL, such as /v1 or /v2, developers can introduce new features and breaking changes while allowing older applications to continue functioning without interruption. Good API design follows a design-first approach. This means planning the endpoints, data structures, and relationships before writing a single line of code. A well-designed API is intuitive, predictable, and follows established conventions, making it a joy for other developers to use. In the modern era of cloud computing, many applications are built using a microservices architecture. Instead of one giant monolithic program, the app is broken into small, independent services. These services communicate with each other exclusively through APIs, allowing for independent scaling and updates. Testing is a vital part of the development lifecycle. Tools like Postman allow developers to manually trigger API requests and inspect the responses. This ensures that the API behaves as expected under various conditions, from standard queries to edge cases and error scenarios. Sometimes you don't want to keep asking the server for updates. This is where webhooks come in. Think of a webhook as a reverse API. Instead of the client asking the server for data, the server automatically pushes data to the client as soon as a specific event occurs, like a successful payment. The scale of API usage is staggering. Companies like Netflix and Amazon handle billions of API calls every single day. This global connectivity allows for a seamless experience across devices, whether you are watching a movie on your phone in New York or your smart TV in Tokyo. Developer experience, or DX, is a growing field. Companies now realize that if their API is hard to use, developers will go elsewhere. Providing excellent SDKs, clear tutorials, and a responsive support community is just as important as the code itself in the modern API market. To make their APIs even more accessible, many companies provide SDKs, or software development kits. These are libraries written in specific programming languages, but wrap the API calls into easy-to-use functions, allowing developers to integrate services with just a few lines of native code. As we conclude this masterclass, remember that APIs are more than just technical tools. They are the language of collaboration. They allow us to stand on the shoulders of giants, combining the best technologies in the world to create something entirely new. The future is integrated, and it is built on APIs. From the simple request of a weather app to the complex orchestration of a global financial system, APIs are the heartbeat of the internet. By understanding how they work, you unlock the ability to navigate and shape the digital world. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into APIs. We have covered a vast ground today, from the basic request-response cycle to advanced security protocols and the rise of GraphQL. These concepts form the foundation of modern software engineering. Keep exploring, keep building, and keep connecting the world through code. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single API call. Whether you're building the next big social network or a simple internal tool, the principles you've learned here will guide you. It's time to take these concepts and turn them into reality. Happy coding! For those looking to dive even deeper, we recommend exploring the official documentation of the tools we've discussed today. The best way to learn is by doing. Start by exploring public APIs on platforms like GitHub or RapidAPI and see what you can create today. APIs also foster collaboration within teams. By defining a clear API contract between the front-end and back-end teams, developers can work in parallel without stepping on each other's toes. This separation of concerns is a hallmark of professional software development workflows. Ensuring data integrity is a critical responsibility of an API. By using JSON schema or other validation techniques, an API can reject malformed requests before they ever reach the database. This layer of protection is essential for maintaining a clean and reliable system. Performance matters. A slow API can ruin a user's experience. Optimization techniques like caching with Redis, using content delivery networks, CDNs, and optimizing database queries are essential for keeping your API responses lightning fast, even under heavy load. The ecosystem of tools surrounding APIs is massive, from package managers like NPM and pip to testing suites like Jest and PyTest. These tools help developers build, test, and deploy APIs with confidence and speed. Mastery of these tools is a key part of the developer's journey. Understanding APIs is the bridge between front-end and back-end development. As a full-stack developer, you need to understand how to design the data source and how to consume it effectively on the client side to create a seamless end-to-end user experience. In complex systems, an API gateway acts as a single entry point for all clients. It handles tasks like authentication, logging, and routing, allowing the underlying microservices to focus on their specific business logic. This pattern simplifies client interactions with complex backends. Debugging is an art form. When an API doesn't behave as expected, developers use sophisticated debugging tools to step through the code, inspect the payload, and identify the root cause. It's a process of elimination that requires patience, logic, and deep technical knowledge. The rise of serverless computing has changed how we think about APIs. With services like AWS Lambda or Google Cloud Functions, you can write single API endpoints as independent functions that only run when called. This pay-as-you-go model is revolutionizing the cost and scalability of APIs. Organization is key to managing large-scale APIs. By using collections and environments in tools like Postman, developers can keep their testing workflows organized and easily shareable with the rest of the team. This boosts productivity and reduces the chance of errors during development. Cross-origin resource sharing, or CORS, is a security feature that can often trip up developers. It prevents a website from making requests to a different domain than the one that served it. Understanding how to properly configure CORS headers is essential for any web-based API integration. The world of APIs is vast and ever-changing, but don't be intimidated. Every expert was once a beginner. By focusing on the fundamentals and practicing consistently, you will soon find yourself designing and building world-class APIs that power the next generation of digital experiences. There is a certain beauty in the way APIs connect the world. They turn isolated islands of data into a vast, interconnected ocean of information. This connectivity is what drives progress, enables innovation, and brings us closer together in the digital age. Every API you build is a contribution to a better, more connected digital world. Whether you're solving a small problem or tackling a global challenge, your work matters. Keep building, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with APIs. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive into the world of application programming interfaces. We hope you feel empowered to take your next steps in your development journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth technical content. Until next time, connect the world, one API at a time. The possibilities are truly limitless. We can't wait to see what you build. Goodbye for now, and happy coding to all the developers out there making a difference.